Hey there, it's Perry with Paper Crafting Threads. Let's get trucking along with a pickup full of pumpkins. I stamped the outline images from the Trucking Along stamp set. Then I used dark pecan pie along the bottom for rust. The body of the truck is filled in with light Night of Navy. Then I take the pecan pie, go back over the rust, and pull it into the blue, all to blend it. Add strokes of light pool party to the windows. And light smoky slate for the hubcaps and the fenders. Complete the truck with the dark basic black for the tires and the steering wheel. I want to fill the truck bed with pumpkins, so I start by coloring my cloud outline with light pumpkin pie. Then I add shading with dark pumpkin pie, and go back over the entire image with the light pumpkin pie to blend the two colors together. I add ridges to my pumpkins with a Copic Multiliner SP 0.5 waterproof pigment ink pen. And then I draw 3 stems for each top. I colored my stems with dark parakeet party. For my beginning of fall trees, I start by coloring in all the foliage with dark lemon lolly. I add touches of dark parakeet party towards the inner parts of the tree. Since my trees are just beginning to turn, I add light real red to some of the outside edges. By going over the entire foliage with the dark lemon lolly again, I blend all the colors together. And I finished off the trunk with dark pecan pie. Then I fussy cut each image. I used glue dots along the edge of the bed on the back of the pickup truck and added my pumpkins, trimming off the tiny bit of overhang. Then dimensionals go on the back of the pickup, on one of the trees, and a glue dot on the other tree. I folded my 5.5 by 8.5 standard card base in half. The 2 pattern papers are from the Oh Holy Night DSP pack. I stamped clouds and the sentiment on a piece of very vanilla 2 3/4 by 4 inches. I watercolored Pebbled Path ink along the bottom of the cardstock to anchor my pickup truck. Then I adhered my other layered mats together. And adhered the focal panel on top. The pickup truck is next, and then the trees. Dimensionals on the back to pop it all up, and a little bit of Wink of Stella for some shine. Don't forget the inside. Find written instructions over on my blog at If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!